Joining us now in the studio is celebrity psychic Jovi Vargas. Jovi, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you, thank you.
Happy New Year.
Oh, Happy New Year too.
Okay, good to see you.
Good to see you also, and thank you for having me here.
Okay, it's our pleasure. Okay, shall we begin?
Okay.
Okay, moving on to politics. What are your predictions for the political landscape in the Philippines in 2025? Any emerging leaders or movements you foresee gaining traction? Kanina meron ka nabanggit.
Meron ako nakikitang plan. Kasi ang nakikita ko rito parang magkakaroon ng rigodon eh. I use the word of rigodon because there will be a changes. Ano? A person should be out of that position. And our president will do something about na to hear the voice of the masses. Kasi merong isang tao dito na gustong-gusto nilang alisin, no? And that will be the main event of the year 2025.
And you can see it clearly na mangyayari na?
Yes.
Really?
And then the opening of the year, the first quarter of the year 2025, from the past, you know, the people power, they're going to do with that. Pero parang maingay ang dating sa akin ng mga papasok na election.
Okay. Pero kanina nabanggit mo, so can you identify kung sino itong pwedeng alisin? At cabinet ba siya? Mataas na posisyon?
Sobrang, mataas ng position, no?
Like what position?
Pwede kong banggitin kung maano ako.
Okay, pero mataas ang posisyon niya.
Mataas, sobrang taas. Baka matatawag ko pa nga, pwede siyang, basta mataas. Basta mataas.
Okay. So, sometime first quarter yan, no?
Yan yung magiging issue, yan yung magiging event of the year 2025.
For first quarter, okay.
But I can also nga pala, paalaw din also, the year 2025 is a warning year for us also, no? Magugulo, meron tayong titawag nating, kasi mas nakita ko sa vision yung earthquake medyo gabi, medyo may kalakasan, and Metro Manila will be affected with this, pero medyo may kalakasan. I hope hindi ito yung tinatawag nating the big one.
Okay.
But most of the visionaries now, sinasabi nila, ito na yung big one. Ano? But for me, I still believe with God na sana hindi mangyari. Nakikita ko lang, there is something, a big movement, tremor, na mangyayari sa Metro Manila.
So, ang Metro Manila ang center?
Ay maapektuhan.
But this can still change, no?
Well, it can change naman through the power of our prayer, especially the collective prayer. People will have very sana sa prayer, maging prayerful for the year 2025.
Okay.
As I said, this is actually a warning year. Earthquake na parating. That's on the first to the second quarter of this year 2025. I hope magkamali ako. And then, may nakita kong tubig, sobrang laking tubig. No? Pwede ko siyang i-consider as tsunami o pwede ko rin i-consider sobrang mataas na pagkabaha na i-consider pa rin na para siyang kapareho ng before is it the Ormoc? No. Tama ba?
Yolanda?
No, it happens here in Marikina before.
Ondoy?
The Ondoy.
Okay. So, same magnitude?
Yes.
Ganun kalakas?
Sana, I hope hindi sa Metro Manila.
Yeah. Pero is it interrelated? Yung tremors na kaninang sinabi mo?
Magkaiba yun.
Magkaiba pa yun?
Oo, magkaiba.
Okay.
Kumbaga yan yung event na pwedeng magkaroon sa year ng 2025.
Okay. Can you just go back now a bit? How do you think the current administration's policies will impact the upcoming elections? Nakikita mo ba siyang chaotic or?
Actually, this is the card of gulo or the chaotic, So maraming dapat i-resolve ang ating administration, especially the issue about the corruption, no? Corruptions regarding about the PhilHealth, kailangan ma-resolve niya yon. No? Okay. Kasi yan yung kailangan talagang magawa, mabago. Hindi ko alam kung paano niya i-resolve, pero mostly corruption talaga ang magiging talagang issue talaga regarding dito sa policies na tinatapos. But warning pa rin sa kanya.
Kanino?
Sa ating presidente. It's a big warning pa rin, Kasi pwede kasing nasabi ko na ito before na magiging dahilan ng kanyang babae.
Babae. When you say pagbaba, not
Pag-alis.
finishing his term?
Yes,
O
oo.
matatapos pa naman ang term ni Pangulong Marcos?
Parati kong sinasabi na I hope matapos. Pero kasi medyo ang warning talaga sa kanya ang 2025. Magiging reason ng kanyang pag-alis because of that woman. Pero I have no idea kung sino yung babae. No.
Okay. I must ask you about yung impeachment, no? Yung, sa tingin mo matutuloy itong impeachment ni VP Sara?
Medyo very strong, kung anuhan natin. Merong talagang gusto siyang matuloy. Pero kung anuhan naman natin dito sa part ng presidente, ayaw niya. No? Kung ito talaga mag-flourish itong impeachment ito, magiging problema ito. Dito magtataas ang mga tao, lalo-lalo na sa side ng mga Duterte. Mga followers o mga supporter ni Duterte, mag-aaklas lahat yan. So, dapat ito ma-resolve, hindi dapat matuloy. Sana ang inaano ko lang, be observant, don't go with the wrong information. Piliin nyo lang talaga ang dapat nyong ilagay sa, when it comes to election, yun ang gusto kong anuhan, piliin nyo ang tamang taong ilalagay ninyo upang hindi ho kayo magsisi sa bandang huli.
Once again, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.